yesterday morning, they didn't know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down the song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. So I've been walking the line to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows the cold wind blows like to turn your head around. I was out of time on the telephone line, just talking about things to come. Sweet dreams of flying machines in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you somehow one more time again. But I'd see you one more time again.